Today we'll talk about how can you disable events and updates notifications on your Qanda app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on menu down here, and you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile here. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do, you just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do, you just click here on push notification settings. You come to next step here. You come here to event and updates. Click in this sign or this color like you saw. Then you click here on yes. So then here, sorry, click here on no here, you click on no. Then here events and updates notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.